everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and behind me is my daughter Isabel, who is hiding. So we are gonna do a quick stop by Dean to do an update just for you to see, what has been going on with him. So please remember to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. All right, so let's go, and don't forget to always tell us where you're watching us from. All right, thank you so much for your continued support. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
That was a bad entry.
Dean, what you do? No, son, that me see I do. Me see I make phone call.
Yes. I do see it, dude. Yes, man.
So what go on?
I can't tell you.
You don't know?
No?
You have to tell me something must have gone.
Not like you. Me so happy to tell me, can't tell you. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You need to be improving, I like it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So that's the fork?
Yeah, this is a fork.
Oh, that's the handle?
Yeah, that's the fork.
Okay.
I'm a bit last two.
We are going to look on them.
Yeah, I think we can motivate myself, man.
Yes, man. That's absolutely the best thing to do.
Yeah.
So you say you buy a welding plant?
Yeah.
Oh.
What is this, man?
Oh, okay.
Okay, what is it?
Oh, so you make this stove, yeah?
Yeah.
You're going good, man. Wow.
I'm like a skill man, but I don't know. Sometimes,
Yes.
Sometimes me off, sometimes me on.
Yeah, man.
That's why I'm not complaining about nothing.
Yes, yes. Okay. We're glad we finally get to come, Dean. We promise you how long we have come, we call you, we postpone.
Yeah.
But finally.
But me know sometimes you're busy too.
Yes, yes.
You know, God know me know, so you're busy.
Yes.
You try to help everybody where you can help.
But even though, because you and I and Marcel, we see each other
Yeah.
very regularly and so, but for the donors or viewers or subscribers, they want to see you, they want to see what has been happening with you.
Okay.
And so that is one of the main reasons why we're here.
Yeah.
To check up on you, and so they can see what you have been up to.
Okay.
And so we can catch you in the middle of your Chinese movie.
Yeah. I'm happy myself, I make myself comfortable.
So when you're sitting out here, just put the TV on the veranda?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going, man. You're
Can I
going.
make a fun and blow up like a mosquito?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, a lot of mosquitoes around here?
Yeah, I can find mosquito them.
Okay.
Mr. Kemp, God knows me can't tell you thanks yet, man. Trust me. Yeah, Miss Kemp. Boy, you know, come like I'm a mother. Can't tell you no thanks yet. Yes.
Oh my God. But Dean, you've been so good, because guys, we would have done the house, but the veranda section here we would have left. We never had any more material to do the completion, and Dean would have taken the initiative and him put up something here, so, and him create some decoration and all of that. So I guess what it needs now, Dean, is some paint and so on, and we see that you've been painting.
Yeah.
Using up your skills, man.
Yeah.
We're going to go inside and look. You don't mind?
Oh, I found a place now, no Billy give me, I don't Billy give me, so why shouldn't you? You're not supposed to have all access to me, man.
Now we're going to ask permission.
Yeah, but you have all access to me, and you make me be like a man.
Yes.
Yeah, you make me be like somebody, so.
Oh, Lord. All right, so come with Dean.
Yeah. So me see if we can motivate myself, sir.
Oh my God. So guys, this is where Dean is.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh wow, so you set up a little kitchen section over here. Last time we were here, the kitchen was over this side.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just rearrange it. So you build something right here.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're way more comfortable, Dean.
1,000,000% more comfortable.
Yes.
Not 100. Not 1,000.
1,000,000%. Oh Lord, God be
So that's why I
praised.
tell us I can't tell you the things yet.
Yes, yes. Oh gosh, you're more than welcome, man.
Yeah, me have to think about how to tell you the thanks.
You're more than welcome.
Yeah.
Yes. Because when we left too, also you put a piece of solitex up that side.
Yeah.
And the bathroom, you would have tiled it with some pieces of tiles.
Yeah.
That's very good, Dean.
And the inside of the bath are some coast style because they did simple.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I know you've been flashing outside too.
Yeah,
You
cause
say you're flashing the
from
the
side
plywood.
where the water flash up.
Or the dirt and water flashing up on it. We're going to look on in a little while.
So we can secure it.
Yes, man.
Yes,
So everybody, this is Dean. And you heard it from him. He's doing well.
Yeah, more than well,
More
you're now
than-
comfortable.
More than
Happy.
Yes.
Now wet again. You take me out of the water.
Yes.
I'm very, very dry.
Oh my God.
Trust me.
God be praised. And we have to always say thank you 100% to all our donors. Everybody who contributed.
You say 100, me say 1,000,000%.
A 1,000,000%.
Yeah, me tell
You
them
say it then. You
1,000,000%
say.
thanks. Yeah.
Yes.
Without them,
None of this would have been possible. None of this would have been possible. And thank God, you know, because without God, none of this would have been possible either, you know. So we're happy to see you, Dean. Happy that you're doing much, much better. You say 1,000,000%
yeah,
better.
1,000,000% better.
Yes, yes. And sometimes you do a little side hustle.
Yeah, buy food and things.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you have available, we can buy a piece of tool. Buy it to see if we can save myself from hunger.
Yes, yes.
Without tool, can't get no work.
That is true.
Yeah,
So
if
you want
you
to
have a
make,
tool, yeah, you get work.
yeah, you want to make sure once
you
they
make
call,
some
have
work
some-
for yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you look good, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Sorry.
Don't give me place to feel living now comfortable now and feed me to you. So my numbers look no better.
Oh my gosh.
I no
Yes.
feed no give me to man. I know we place alone no enough got no feeding.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You're welcome, Dean, man. You're welcome. Every time. Every time.
Give thanks and praise, man.
Yes, man.
And God bless all the donors 1,000,000% over again. Yeah, you? Especially too. Because without you, we couldn't get to them.
Yeah. Yeah. God be praised.
Yeah.
All right. So, Dean,
Yeah.
we're glad we get to come and see you, you know, and okay. Oh, Dean, make we look outside. Let's see what you did out there. Oh, we can't just walk right here.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Dean, I know I have to use mesh.
Yeah, that me realize, realize. Hey, when we reach right in that corner there, realize me have to use mesh.
Oh, okay.
Well, at the time I did have the water flash up on it, so I try to see if I can get it off of it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
But this looks lovely.
Yeah.
Where would he put the mesh?
Upon it, we have to nail it.
Oh, and then you
then
flash it. Okay, okay. Yeah.
At the time, so I get something, I have to try to keep it good as possible.
Yeah, man.
If I don't keep it good, it's not going to last me.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I mean, we in need, not me way more than in need of it. I
Yes.
mean, get it, so we take care of it, man.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. Yes, Dean, we're happy to see you. And we notice, just relax. Whatever it is that you're able to do, you just, get on it.
Yeah, I have to try to motivate myself and not the breath not gone off everybody yet.
Yeah. Not true.
Yeah. I have to work with it.
There's life, there's hope.
Yeah, I have to work with it, man.
Yes. All right, everyone. So you heard it from Dean. You've seen him.
Yeah.
You hear how he's doing. He's doing very good. He says 1,000% much better than he was before, all possible because of God and because of our donors.
Yeah, but you say 1,000% and your niece a million.
A million! Okay, hard to learn.
Yeah, trust me. They take me from deep water.
Yes.
Deep waters I have upon dry land. So
yes.
I have to say 1,000,000% thanks. I can't say 100.
Enough respect to all our donors.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. This is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much. Like Dean say, 1,000,000%.
Yeah.
So God bless you. And until we see you next time, thank you so much for making it a little Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.